In this video, we tried DIY ramen by the river, a super fun and popular activity that you must try on your next visit to Seoul. A very popular activity to do down by the seafront is for people to have a little picnic in this area. They'll go to that mini stop behind me, grab some ramen, make it in the mini stop, and then sit out here and watch the sunset. We're gonna go do some work at a cafe first, but for sunset, that is the plan. And as you can see, it's such a cute little picnic spot. There's all the people behind me. Very, very adorable. So we'll be coming here later. Today is actually a sunny day here in Seoul.
One of the first that we've had in the whole 3 weeks that we've been here, and I think it might be the last.
Yeah, I think so too. So we're going to make the most of it, and we're actually going to head down to the river and have a little picnic, which will be really, really fun. It's really cute along here. Kind of feels like walking back home along like South Bank in a way.
I don't know, I feel like it's a lot nicer because it's nowhere near as busy. The pavements in Seoul are always so much wider than those in London. So even if it's a bit busier, like it's okay because there's still room to breathe. Unhealthy air quality, but I can breathe.
Oh my god, the air quality is so
breathe.
bad. That's kind of scary.
Maybe that's the thing I saw in the water.
Maybe. So there's a Starbucks behind me right on the river. So where we're gonna go and have a quick drink, little coffee shop moment. And it's so cute because look at the view of this river. I'm excited. Excited?
How cold? Yeah. It's got to be the nicest view of a Starbucks I've ever seen.
All the bridge moves.
너와 나란히 갔어 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 okay 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길
God, such a pretty sunset.
It's the best one we've seen.
It is the best one we've seen.
It's because it's been such a lovely day.
It's been a really gorgeous day. It's getting a little bit chilly now again though, but my god, is that a beautiful sunset. Are you excited?
Excited
for going to have ramen. And sunset.
I'm very excited to have ramen at sunset.
It's a very popular thing to do here. Like I said earlier, people will come down at sunset and they'll have noodles or some food from 7-Eleven and just sit and watch the sunset with some noodles, which is like such a cute idea.
It is a cute idea. I didn't know it happened at sunset.
Well, I think it's just because it's so nice. Like, it's such an uninterrupted view of the I mean, now it's interrupted because it's got a tree in front of it, but it's a very interrupted view of the sun, so it's quite cute.
It is a really cute spot. Laura and I were saying that it's like the nicest spot to see the sunset, purely because it's uninterrupted by the city from other angles and all the lights from the city as well. So when you're in the streets, it's gorgeous. Seoul's lights are stunning, but it does kind of get in the way a little bit. And we've been here for 3 weeks now and haven't really seen a good sunset.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because we've had the sun out today and it's been really lovely weather. Maybe it's because of where we are. We're in more of a natural area, less traffic, less smog, but
for sure,
it's stunning.
It's really pretty.
Look at that's a great photo.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble if that's...
It is super cold, which is why Emma's all wrapped up, bless her. But we want to go and do a little picnic behind us, even though it's very, very cold. But first we have to head over to the shop and choose some noodles. You know what you're gonna get? Anything warm.
Something warm.
Alright, Em grabs this like little pot one, which looks really good actually. I really want to try this. And I grabbed whatever this is. And then what you do is you pour it out into your pot here. And there's like a hot water machine over here which makes your noodles. our little pot over to here.
Okay, so you've got to scan this.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. And there's this one. You put it down. It's very fun. So you scan it.
Wow. That's crazy. Just give it a little.
You want to make it?
So cool. And so it's on like a little hob here and it'll just keep heating up. That's really cool. And that is how you make the noodles. How cool is that? And it's really busy up here as well, so you can take your noodles and sit up here behind me. Or you can head over obviously and sit by the river, but it's so cool. Excited!
Gonna get this all over my jumper.
Oh no!
Oh, God, yeah. I do have 2 wet tissues.
It is so cold, but it's so beautiful out here. It's so pretty. But the food was really, really tasty actually. Did you enjoy your noodles?
I did. Mine was a little bit different to yours.
Yeah.
Mine, I actually did mine wrong. I bought noodles which were already in like a bowl or
Yeah.
a pot, and I was supposed to fill it up with the hot water tank, let it soak, pour out the water, pour in the seasoning, and have dry noodles. I didn't know that, so I just poured it all in, and it was fine.
Yeah,
it was
I
fine.
think it still tastes fine.
Yeah, I think yours was nicer.
That was so cool. I kind of just expected it to be like, yeah, you just put water in it. Like if you go to a regular 7-Eleven here, you just put water in it and yeah, you just mix it and eat it like that. But like it fully had a little stove pot and it bubbled away and had a little countdown.
It means you didn't have to wait for it. You just
Yeah.
had to wait for the countdown.
And it also meant the noodles were like absolutely perfect. I just think that was really, really cool. It was just fun. It was so much fun to do.
I mean, look, it's pretty cold. It's not even the summer.
No.
But all of the tables were all full. So we had to
Yeah.
go and walk into the park a little bit and find a bench. So, and we wanted to do that rather than sit on the cold floor.
Yeah.
So if you're kind of with a group, I'd probably recommend somebody sit
Taking
down,
a table.
put your bags down. If you wanted to share, because I think that's
I agree.
I think that's important.
Completely agree.
And don't wear white, because I was very nervous to get.
Oh, you didn't get anything on you though.
Because I was like leaned over the table the whole time.
But it's such a fun activity and I would definitely recommend it. I bet in the summer it's amazing. Like it's a really, really cool thing to do. But 10 out of 10, had such a good time. I think we're gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you try out this activity if you're over here because it's so much fun. Grab a group of friends or take yourself on a little solo date. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We've been Sapphicsabroad and we will see you in the next one. Bye!